Well, this area is a little different because we need to expect that they know how to weld. We need to expect that they understand what our basic standards are. Then we just create how to put the product together. This is what we want our welds to look like. Down here we have a finished grinding standard, tube weld standard, and we can scan this and it will show us how to turn the machine on. And this one's great because it's using a video, so we can watch a quick video on how to do this. You can see here it's paper plates, and then on the back we actually have two different ordering options. So one's probably Amazon. John was on vacation, you can cover for him a lot easier.
Yeah, and I'm such a visual person.
Well, one, we're managing it with this Kanban cards from GembaDocs, and this is one of the first areas that we implemented this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring these Kanban cards, I'm gonna bring it back. You put the inventory back in the front bin, and then you return the card back to the top. And right here on the fixtures, we have SOP links with QR codes. So that means I can set this over on the machine, scan this, and I can follow it. And actually, you can take somebody who's never run a welding robot, and they can actually weld this part by just following the standard work.